What if the best way to quiet your mind isn't meditation or a mindfulness app or a weekend retreat somewhere at some specialist therapy centre, but actually just a set of spanners and a screwdriver? Most people see motorcycle maintenance as frustrating, dirty and inconvenient, something to avoid. But over the years, I've started to notice something strange. Whenever I'm stressed or overwhelmed or mentally scattered, a few quiet hours in my workshop seem to reset me. And I think there's a reason for that. Because fixing a motorcycle isn't just mechanical work. It's a form of attention. Modern life is noisy. We are constantly interrupted. Emails, messages, marketing algorithms competing for our attention. And half the time we're doing 3 things at once and properly concentrating on none of them. Even when we stop working, we don't really stop. We sit down, we scroll on the phone or on our laptop, we skim through things, we distract ourselves. And slowly, without noticing, we lose the ability to become completely absorbed in one thing. And that's where motorcycle maintenance becomes interesting. People imagine meditation as sitting quietly on a cushion trying not to think. But there's another kind of meditation, a practical meditation. A form of attention through doing. When I'm servicing a bike, something changes. The noise in my head gets quieter. My attention narrows and focuses. Suddenly, I'm not thinking about emails, problems at work, bills, politics, deadlines, or social media. I'm thinking, does this bearing feel rough? What's the exact torque setting for this bolt? Does the preload on this suspension feel about right here? Is the gap on that spark plug right? Everything becomes immediate, physical and real. Motorcycle maintenance forces you into the present moment because the machine demands your full attention. There's something deeply calming about repetitive mechanical work. Removing fasteners, cleaning parts, reassembling components, torquing bolts in the correct sequence, checking tolerances. You stop rushing and you slow down. I find my breathing changes even. Time changes. Hours disappear without you noticing. Psychologists sometimes call this a flow state, total immersion in meaningful work. Another important aspect for me is that doing your own motorcycle maintenance converts you from being a consumer to a craftsman. Modern motorcycles are increasingly sold as consumer products. You buy it, you finance it, you get it serviced at the dealer. After a couple of years, you replace it and you repeat. But when you work on your own machine, something changes. You stop relating to the bike as a product and start relating to it as a craft. You know its noises, you know its problems, its weaknesses, its quirks. You notice small changes before they become big failures. And strangely, as you become more patient with the machine, you often become more patient with yourself. I will confess that I often become mentally overloaded and start to feel stressed. Too many projects on the go, too much noise in my life, too much stress and worry about what's happening in the world. And then I just remember to go into the garage and do some service work on one of my bikes. Just changing the brake fluid, changing the engine oil, checking chain adjustment or a general inspection. And 3 hours later, I realise that something has shifted. I feel calmer, not because I've escaped my problems, but because my attention has finally settled. Of course, motorcycle maintenance isn't always peaceful. Sometimes bolts seize or parts don't fit, and you lose that circlip under the bench somewhere where it disappears into an alternative dimension. You can't find the right torque settings, or you're just not quite sure how to go about doing a particular job and you spend hours looking it up online. But oddly, even frustration can become part of the process, because unlike digital stress, mechanical problems usually have solutions. So here's my proposal to you. Try this. Try making maintenance of your motorcycle into a meditation. If you want to try it, slow down. Don't rush. Put your phone away. Work on one small job. Listen to the sounds of the bike. Really feel what's happening. Feel the resistance of nuts and bolts as you tighten them up, and pay attention. For me, the appeal of motorcycle isn't just riding. It's about care. And peace isn't found just through escaping responsibility, but in giving complete attention to something real. In this world that we live in that's designed to fragment our attention, then a quiet evening in the garage can feel strangely rebellious. Just you, your motorcycle, and the quiet rhythm of trying to understand it. That's my thoughts on motorcycle maintenance, but I'm interested in yours. Do you find working on your bike relaxing, or does it just make you angry or stressed? Let me know in the comments, because I'm genuinely curious about this. Thanks for watching.